JST is one of the world's largest electronic connector manufacturers. We're established in Japan in 1957. We've been in the UK now for around 30 years. We're supplying into a number of different industries, primarily automotive, domestic appliance, and also medical. Globally, we're manufacturing a range of standard interconnect product. In the UK, we're focusing mainly on tooling and on wire harness assembly, but we also sell our catalogue product to the customers. We're primarily interested in three criteria. Firstly is quality. JST doesn't compromise on quality for its products. Secondly, on service. We want to provide top-level service to our customers. And thirdly, we're interested in technology, so developing new product and on innovation.
JST had been running a very old Unix-based system which had become very outdated, and as a result of that it put the company at a level of risk in case the system failed, and that was the main prompt for looking for alternative ERP systems on the market. We've been looking for a replacement ERP system for the last 2 years. The market is cluttered with literally hundreds of different companies selling systems. For JST, there are three parts of our business. There's a manufacturing business, there's a distribution business and a rental business. Many systems catered for one or two of those alternatives, but only RamBase, we found, catered for all three.
I think having RamBase will help to support our business in terms of the speed at which we can communicate internally, the quality of information that we have, and the control that we'll have over what we do day to day. Because of the type of clients that we have and the high level of quality that we want to impart into our product, it's important that we have a system that supports that ethos, and RamBase does that from the start.